Hi everyone, my name's Lynn and welcome back to my new unboxing video. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and welcome to my share this video. Let's get started, yo! So, I will be opening all these boxes here, which is from Amazon, eBay, and Newegg, of course. Now, I'll be opening this bag. Alright, I got the lid. There's a lid. Oh. Hold the holes. Ah! Use your safety scissors. You know what? Ah. I just like to cut like this because it's easier. What is this we have here? What? Is a bag in a bag? Is a bag in a bag? Why did they deliver us a bag? Let's see inside it. What's inside? Let's go open it. Wow, it's a new pumpkin tool kit. Well, in a bag. The other one we have is in a box. Oh my god. Look at that. That has a skeleton in it, which is this scooper. It almost looks like they have the same tools. Okay, now welcome back. We're going to be opening this one. And before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, hit everyone who comment, and share this video. Opening this. Okay, so put this on there. And we'll be opening this zipper. Okay. Ah! Whoa. These almost look the same ones that I had, the old ones. Wait, I'm going to take them all out and see which one are the same. That's a lot. Holy cow. That's... Where's the bag for that? Yeah. Wait, the only tool we did not have is this one. We did not have this. I think it's for it to peel the skin.
Yeah, so that one looks like a...
Yeah, it's sharp.
Yeah, so that's a blade, so just be careful. So why do you think the plastic there?
So you won't poke yourself, see?
Yeah, okay. Put that to the side.
A big saw, which is we have that.
Is it sharp?
No.
These saws are not sharp. They look sharp, but are they really sharp?
This is like a scary one because it has a skeleton on it.
And what do we use that for?
We used it to scoop up the pumpkin seeds inside it. Okay, got scoop this and this. Paper to tell which is which. Wait, I don't know. This is a pumpkin tool. Yeah, this is for like to make a curl, a perfect curl. Which is we have that. Now, hey, this is pokey. There's a thing here so you won't poke yourself, see?
Yep, so it's safety, right?
Yep, plastic. Hey, this is a small saw.
Okay, let's bring the plastic up.
This is a small saw. Actually, do like this. Like that.
Is it sharp?
No, it's not sharp. It's just small. And look at that. It's perfect to make triangles.
That's right.
Yay. So we have this pokey thing, which I forgot what was it called again. And we have this. It looks like a driller.
That's right. It's circular, right?
It's not like to make a circle like that. It's just making perfect round holes. This is, I do not know what this is.
So that looks like a blade, so just be careful. Okay.
It's almost like it's peeling it for the skin.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a big double-sided saw.
Is it sharp?
No, it is. And this is a weird skeleton face, but it's a pumpkin scooper.
It's a scooper.
And there's a needle here because when you open the lid, that lid part, you can get the pumpkin seeds out of that. And then a small saw here, and a perfect triangle shaped pumpkin.
There you go. So do you like it?
Yeah. So this is a poke to poke the pumpkin. This is for to make perfect curl. This is a blade. I think this peeled the skin off. This is a large double-sided saw. This is a pumpkin scooper, well, a weird shadow on it, just like a skeleton. And this is a small saw, and perfect triangle nose.
Very good.
Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, give a comment, and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye!